Hi, welcome to Ask Marg, the monthly podcast series where you get to ask all your questions about construction and real estate sector, and we have senior officials at Marg Group answer your questions. In this episode, we have Mr. Oscar Braganza, Executive Director of Marg Group, answer your questions. Let's listen in. How important is timing while buying an apartment?
Timing is important, and I would say there are two dimensions to this aspect of timing. One is the aspect of deciding when to go into a particular locality. And if you look back historically, whether you take the example of Gurgaon or Noida or Adyar or Tiruvanmiyur, there were times, if you go back, where people felt that these localities were too far out and were not willing to make a property purchase or an investment in these areas, in spite of the fact that the property prices were extremely low. However, those very areas today command a huge premium compared to what was the price if you go back 10 years or 15 years in time. So that is one aspect of timing, taking a right call on the area and being right about and being clear about why one should invest in that particular area, because that area may have a number of factors which is going for it. For example, there may be a lot of jobs moving to that particular area, or there may be a lot of educational institutions moving to that area, or there may be a lot of other industries moving to that area, or a particular kind of industry may be moving to that area, and they tend to drive property prices in a particular way. So that's one part of it. The second part of it is that having decided on a particular area, try to get into the project as early as you can, because normally what you trade is project risk versus price. The person who comes in at the start of the project bears the highest risk, but he also gets the best price. So if you have made your choice well, if you've gone with the right builder, if you've gone with the right product, you will come out on top, and that risk of going in at the start of the project can get more than compensated by the fact that you will get a lower price for that particular property that you build, because by virtue of the fact that you have come in at the start of the project.